Hello everyone, this is Disha. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you my organic NCERT and the way I read it. So let's come. So this is the first chapter of organic, haloalkanes and haloarenes. I read it in the same way I read my bio NCERT. During the first reading we can underline the important lines, and during second reading we can write important things in the empty space. First of all, in every chapter we have some classification and then some nomenclature. This nomenclature will be revision of our 11th GOC, so it becomes very important. There is a table of IUPAC names important for both boards and NEET, and all the examples and in-text questions that we have in NCERT organic become very important. They can be asked directly in boards or in NEET. Then for the reactions, NCERT follows a order. Like first it gives all the preparation methods, then physical properties, and then chemical reactions. If we read in the same order, then it becomes very easy. We have to follow this order so that every reaction becomes organized. Like there are 3 preparation methods of haloalkanes, so we have to learn them in this order only, then they will become organized. In-text questions are very important, examples are very important. You can write important things here. In the physical properties, orders of melting and boiling points are very important. They can be asked that arrange in the increasing order of melting or boiling point, which has the highest boiling point. They become very important. Then in the chemical reactions, in this chapter we have SN1 and SN2 reactions. So I advise you that after reading this from NCERT, you write the differences in your copies in a tabular form in your own words, so that you can understand what is the actual difference between SN1 and SN2 reaction. The definitions like inversion of configuration, retention, racemization, all these are very important and very nicely explained here. The NCERT back exercises are very important for organic, especially because here the questions like complete the reactions and conversions will help you to remember the reactions. And let's come to the last chapter of organic, that is amines. In this chapter also, first you can see there is a brief classification, then nomenclature. These are important. They will help you to revise 11th GOC. Then again the order is same. First preparation of amines, then physical properties, and then chemical reactions. Learn in the same order only. Then the questions of acidity, basicity become very important, like arrange in the increasing order of acidity, which of them is most basic. These questions are asked many times in the exams. Orders are very important. Then in this chapter you have tests to identify the primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Write them in a tabular form. Any kind of chemical test you get in organic, write it in a tabular form. And practice the NCERT back exercises, conversions, complete the reactions, give reasons, etc. So this was my NCERT for organic chemistry. Thank you.